Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of technology. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence, or AI. Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and make decisions just like humans. Well, that's what AI is all about. But did you know that there are different types of AI? Let's find out. Picture this: you're driving down the road, enjoying your favorite tunes, when suddenly, your car's AI assistant warns you about an upcoming traffic jam and suggests an alternate route. That's a perfect example of the first type of AI, called narrow AI. It's designed to excel at specific tasks, like voice recognition or playing chess, but it's limited to those specific tasks only. Narrow AI might not be as flashy as other types of AI, but it's all around us, making our lives easier and more efficient every day. Now, let's move on to the second type, general AI. This one's pretty mind-blowing. General AI aims to mimic human intelligence across various domains. Imagine a robot that can do your grocery shopping, clean your house, and even engage in meaningful conversations. It's like having a human-like companion. General AI is still a work in progress, but researchers and scientists are tirelessly working towards achieving this next level of AI awesomeness. Next up, we have artificial superintelligence. This type of AI surpasses human intelligence in almost every aspect. It can process and analyze information at unimaginable speeds, making decisions that are far beyond our capabilities. Think of it as a supercomputer on steroids. Artificial superintelligence holds incredible potential, but it also raises questions about its ethical use and control. It's a topic that sparks intense debates and discussions among experts. Finally, we have weak AI, also known as applied AI. It's a type of AI that focuses on solving specific problems and assisting humans in their day-to-day activities. We encounter weak AI when we use voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, or even when we receive personalized recommendations on streaming platforms. Weak AI may not be as advanced as artificial superintelligence, but it has become an integral part of our lives, enriching our experiences and helping us navigate through this digital era. And there you have it, the four main types of artificial intelligence: narrow AI, general AI, artificial superintelligence, and weak AI. Each type plays a unique role in shaping our future and transforming the way we live and interact with technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about the incredible world of AI. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the power of technology. See you in the next video. Take care.